It's just been such a good time here on Crypto TA Holes that I just can't stop myself. Okay? Now, fair use says that you can reuse copyrighted material under circumstances without permission. It is okay in the United States. Works of commentary. Wait, it's okay to use material without the copyright owners, that Martini guy, permission. For example, in the United States, works of commentary, criticism, researching, and news may all be considered fair use. So let's go ahead and use fair use. First, Bitcoin is dumping. It's 2:33 a.m. It's the witching hour, but that doesn't matter. Let's go do some TA hole. Below my video are all my links. Okay? Everything you see, there's no Bybit or Femex or none of that crap, right? There's my gift to you about how to trade with other people's money. There is Discord and Consult, my official Telegram, and all 12 of my rockin' channels, including Crypto TA Holes. And you can find it all below the video. As a matter of fact, typo. Oh, this is Trader 5's channel. Baby Oracle, okay? He can outtrade most YouTubers. It's amazing. Okay, 48% win for the little guy. He almost thought he was going to get liquidated. He couldn't handle it. At the end, cursed me out in Spanish. But that's another channel. Bitcoin Trader 5 does TA Oracle. All my channels are really easy to find. Click Crypto TA Holes. And what do you get? Right here. Crypto TA Holes. Technical analysis and lies. We begin with, of course, Moon. Okay? I'm going to tell you to subscribe to this. This is some of the most outrageous truths you'll ever see. Oh, and I will do a special feature. There's your friend, MMC Crypto. There's Stephen Hawking's. Anyway, what I'm going to do is a special. My next video will be on Sonny Decree. Gone missing, ran into hiding, and now he's back. I got the whole conspiracy figured out. But you got to watch some of these. You'll love them. So we are back to that Martini guy. I actually offered him an interview, and he turned me down. That's an old-ass Lamborghini, by the way. Okay, that's pre-Huracan era. That's a piece of shit. Thank you very much. Now, I'm a fan of his, kind of, but he is the TA hole of the day. And this is true. Real and fake. When somebody comments, when I comment, under your comment, I am highlighted. The fake WhatsApp scammer that hits all us YouTubers is not highlighted. Okay? We do our best to block them, do not interact or reply. Very good. Now, my one-eyebrowed friend, tell me what your situation is. Oh, and by the way, the title. Well, let's just start with, you see, the only way to get 100,000 subs, that's another old-ass Lamborghini, and so is that. From that to that in 10 years, those are both pre-Huracan. Well, this one might be a Huracan, but still it's old. Okay? Anyway, there's nothing motivational about an old fucking Lambo. I got a whole collection of Lambos, Lotuses. I even got a fucking Pagani. But that's because I really trade. So look at this thumbnail. Okay? Buy the dip alert. Buy the dip alert. And the day before, one day ago, Ethereum $5,000 target. Now, on my channel, I just said Ethereum's going to crash because the hard fork is coming, and I explain why. But this is on Oracle Fast Money Trader. You got to find my channels. So let's see. First, he says Ethereum's going to 5,000, which I guarantee you tomorrow or today, whenever the fork occurs. I think it's today at like 1 p.m. or something. All right. You're going to probably see Ethereum crash. He's going to be wrong again. And now he's telling you buy the dip 10 hours ago. So let's check out and review this video. Before we even get started, he's going to show you his open trade. His little piddlywink trade that's been open, okay, since like last Thursday. Today alone, I just literally slaughtered it, okay? Slaughtered it, slaughtered it, slaughtered it. Okay? Unbelievable. 45%. $2,300 on an each short. 51% in minutes on the 1 minute chart. This is what we do. And it's not just about today. It's any day you want to pick. 56%, 53%, 53%. Live in a console. These are done. Pick any one you want. Okay? And well, he's sitting there in a trade since Thursday. In one day, I did this. $11,000 on Margex. Notice I don't use Femax or any of the links he gives out. I trade where I can win. Here's another one. $9,000 in profit, same day, few minutes, 1 minute chart, 70%. $16,000, 233%. $2,000, 45%. $3,000, 50%. 57%. 67 and 76%. These are in no order, okay? But again, just rocking the trades 104%. Guys, this is in one day, okay? And it goes on and on. Pick any day you want, okay? Pick any day you want. Even when I was trading on Bit7, all right? Was this Bit7? No, this is Margex. $4,000 profit, $10,000 profit, $8,000 profit, okay? 191%, $9,000 profit on what was roughly about $4,000, okay? This is how you do it. I want you to remember this, okay? I want you to remember this. Now, under fair use, let's analyze this Martini situation.
Perusing some altcoins and giving you some analysis on both.
I want you to watch this one eyebrow. It goes crazy.
Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as you showing you my open trade. So
I want to see your open trades. Number one, I respect you for having trades that you show. Okay? It's not going to be painful. I'm going to be easy on you, bro. Don't make that face. Save it for your thumbnail.
Are interested in that, then please do slap a like on today's video.
No, I'm not going to like your video. I'm sorry, I'm not going to be forced into this. How could you ask me to like it before I like it? I don't think I'm going to like it, bro. I think you're going to be completely wrong. This video was 10 hours ago today.
Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Turn on those channel
ding ding. Turn on everything.
Notifications, and without further ado, let's crack on.
Now he plays this stupid song. We're going to skip.
Looking at the current price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been struggling so far today. We've been continuing on this downtrend of which we first formed when Bitcoin's price
look at all the lines.
$42,500, and at that point then...
Wait, did you see all the lines and stuff? I don't see a trade. Okay, I see a lot of lines. Remember, any day you want to pick, okay, 526. There's no lines on my charts because TA don't work, and that's why Martini guy don't want to interview me. I want to have a nice friendly conversation, okay? And well, whatever. So let's see some more of this arts and crafts drawing like all TA.
Essentially since then we've been struggling for any kind of serious buying momentum. Now in part this is due to a lot of spot selling pressure. There is some selling pressure at these levels because
no shit, Sherlock Holmes, there is some selling pressure. That's why it's going down.
People that bought that Bitcoin down at $30,000 do want to take profit. Is it?
What about all the people that bought at 50 and 60,000? You think they're like still thinking we're in a bull run, or you thinking they're dying to get out? I think they're dying to get out.
Bearish to see people taking profit? No, not at all. The amount of times I've taken profit on Bitcoin and wished that I'd held on to it going forward into the future, I mean, I can't even count that amount of times. Traders do take profit. That does amount to selling pressure. That is falsely...
That eyebrow, does he do Botox on one side? But really, let's focus on the trading or so, per se.
Interpreted by many people as bearish pressure. It's not bearish to see people taking profits. That's a sign.
You notice he's got a gaming chair. You hear my chair? I'm like Gordon Gekko, a real man's chair.
Of a very active market, and a very active market is a healthy market. Now, why am I bullish at the same time as when the price is going down?
Because you're always bullish Always, always, always. That's how you get 100,000 subs. You always say it's going to go up, it's going to go up. This is awesome.
I'm kind of expecting Bitcoin's price to bounce essentially at these points, and I've got
a bounce. I can't even see, bro, what price you have, because there's so much. You know what? It's like this. TA is like the Norman chart. Let me explain to you the Norman chart. You've heard about Kellner bands and all kinds of stuff they make up. Well, the Norman chart is that there was this horrible tropical storm at this exact time on June 11th in 1985. Does that mean that in 2021 this exact same thing is going to happen at the exact same time? Who the hell knows? That is technical analysis for you. We call it the Norman effect. I hope he makes a point soon.
Very strong, solid reason for that, which is essentially there is nobody on institutional exchanges that is really shorting Bitcoin right now.
Really? How do you know?
The shorting volume that we're seeing on Bitcoin's price right now comes from retail exchanges like BitMEX, like Bybit, like Binance.
Oh, the shit that you use and leave links for, right?
It's only those exchanges where any kind of short positions are really being opened. If we check in on Bitfinex, nobody is short.
What happened with Grayscale, bro? You didn't see that one coming, did you?
Bitcoin. We go over to the 4-hour chart. You can see this is every time the amount of shorts on Bitfinex rises, the price of Bitcoin crashes. As it is at the moment, nobody's really shorting Bitcoin's price.
Really?
Now, I can only put this down to the fact that institutional traders are not bearish on Bitcoin, and they
really everything is bullish. Okay. If I took a shit on Tuesday, it was bullish.
See it as a buying opportunity because we're constantly seeing
a buying opportunity.
On institutional exchanges, the amount of long positions increasing. Now, I expect what's happening a little bit here is a bit of a long squeeze, to be honest. Because
long squeeze? Yo, bro, stop doing Botox on one side of your face. It's really obvious. This eyebrow moves, this side is dead. You got dead eye. It could be from staring at the charts all day, because you've been in a trade for a fucking week already. You're about to tell us, right?
Many people will be long from around $41,000, $40,000, and those people probably going to get squeezed out of the positions, perhaps. But Bitcoin doing what Bitcoin is doing now...
I just had to stop him right there so you take a good look.
It's not really that concerning until we break below the level of $36,500. When we break below $36,500, I will be bearish. I'll be quite...
Yo, by the time you break to 36,000, you missed a fuck ton of opportunity shorting. Okay? Yeah, really, honestly.
Bearish at that point in time, but until that point in time...
You should be bearish now. We went from 63,000 to 29,000. Okay? And we had a hope run because of the whole Tesla ARK fund stupid B word last week.
I remain very positive with regards to my Bitcoin.
Of course, you're always positive, bro. Drawings and hope bring subs.
Outlook, because Bitcoin is showing some nice buying pressure, some nice momentum.
If there was nice buying pressure and momentum, the shit would be going up, bro.
Just not perhaps over the course of the past 24 hours. However, having said...
but not over the last 24 hours. Did you catch that? Having said that, here comes a big yellow line.
If you zoom right in on this
chart... Oh
chart,
my god, a whole shit fandango of lines. This is like... You know what this reminds me of? Trading like this. So TA is kind of like this. Alright? Hold on, I don't even have controls. Hold on. There's nothing. We're coming in hot. Oh my god, there's no controls. It looks like we have a bearish wedge. It's breaking to the downside. Okay, it could possibly flip to the upside, but no, you got wrecked. Oh, wait till I do Sunny Decree. You gotta ask me in the comments for the Sunny Decree conspiracy. And if you like this content, I'm gonna get heat for it. So you gotta protect me. Alright? This is fair use. I want a thumbs up under the video and post as many comments as you can and use his name. This way it gets picked up in the algorithm and he gets to see this gem.
see that every time Bitcoin kind of dumps down to a new low, it gets bought back up fairly quickly. Bitcoin got bought up 2% over the course of 15 minutes, which indicates that there is still some very strong buying pressure around that $38,000 level. However, before we analyze Bitcoin's price anymore, I wanted to talk about today's cryptocurrency news before talking about altcoins, and then I'm going to give you price levels to be watching for the day. So please do make sure you slap the like on today's video
I'm not gonna
and stay tuned for that, because the next thing
on.
in today's video is this. If you're not familiar with this,
wait, shit token. Alright, so now he's reading the news. He's reading the news. It must be a small article. Reading the news. Oh, that eye! Reading the news. Anybody can read the news. Blindfolded even. Alright, here we go. Alright. Well, no, he's talking about a whole bunch of cryptocurrencies. You could look up your own coin market cap and some DeFi crap. He's surprised at something. Oh, what's this?
Entry and exit levels when it comes to trading the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as it stands at this moment in time, I find myself in a long position on Bitcoin on...
Oh no. Really?
Prime XBT, and if you're interested in
Prime XBT, here comes the pitch. Let me tell you, Prime XBT, don't trade there. Alright, it's a crap exchange. Any exchange that's offering you large amounts of money to trade there is because they want to take your money.
You will find a link to Prime XBT and for Bybit in the description.
When you have 100,000 subs and you have a Bybit link, okay, I can tell you that alone, you never have to trade. You make 6 figures a month. Okay, that alone will make you a millionaire. That's why when Sonny Decree left, okay, and said I'm quitting, and he ran, he left up his Bybit and Femex tutorials and links and deleted every other video.
Today's video, and I'm of course trading on Bybit as well.
Of course you are. You're a Bybit boy. Now he's going to show you his profit. He's been in this for fucking eons. You've seen how many trades I do in a day. How much money we make in a day compared to this.
I'm kind of splitting my long position between the two different exchanges. I am long on Bitcoin from these levels. I went long around $38,000 earlier today on the Bitcoin USD pair. And also something to note about these exchanges is if you are interested...
Wait, no, I'm not interested because here comes Happy Face. So you went long at 38... Oh shit, bro, that was really a bad decision. It's really a bad decision. Okay, you just came out with that video. You went long? I mean, again, I take you to the trades I did today. I did about 20 of them, going pretty much short and long. But I don't trade on Bybit or Femex. I trade on Margex, the best exchange. Man, he already took a loss. Poor guy. No wonder why he's got a frozen brow. Yeah, he went long over 38,000 about $400 ago. Oh, my poor lad. He's so happy about it too. Wait till he wakes up.
In trading and want to know more about trading, you're quite welcome to join my trading diary. It's completely free to join. You'll find a form in the description.
Bro, I don't want to trade like you ever, okay?
If you fill in that form correctly, then you'll get an email invite to the group. It's not a chat group, it's just a place where I
don't
post.
Sell me shit.
Weird to predict being that Ethereum EIP 15.
Oh, wait, here we go. Here's where he gets confused by his own charts. Okay, he's got a double pitchfork wishbone Batman formation with the letter T here. There's some icicles hanging from the roof. There's stalactites on the bottom, and this is just for added confusion.
Downside, then essentially we should be looking for a dump down to around $23,000. However, that seems quite weird to predict being...
Wait, if it breaks to the downside, it could go to 23,000. Just throw a number out there.
The Ethereum EIP 1559 is tomorrow. I don't believe...
Oh, wait a minute. He's saying that the Ethereum move is tomorrow. I just did a video on the Ethereum move. Ethereum right now, as we speak, is tanking from 2,600 to 2,489. Not a good move, bro. Okay, so technically it's the fourth. We're going to start selling into the fork. I told you we're going to short into it. Watch this. $5,000 in my stack. His face shows his pain already, but let's continue with this fair use criticism.
It's a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event.
Fuck yeah, bro! It's dumping. We're shorting already like crazy.
I believe it's a long-term change in the way that Ethereum is actually going to be valued, and I believe
these are the lies that you're told when a fork happens. Upgrade, sharding. It's gonna be like Monero. You know how many times I've watched forks come and go, and it is dum-dums buy into the news, and smart money starts shorting it. Watch tomorrow.
it should be long-term very bullish for Ethereum and for Ethereum.
Everything is bullish, bro. The only way to get 100,000 subs is say it's going to go up. You feed the onions. You know what an onion is? A person who only hodls and wants Bitcoin to go up. We are professional traders, the degenerates of the 1 minute chart. I wanted to have a nice conversation with this man about how I trade and he trades, and I wasn't going to bring up the Botox on one side, okay? If we pump to 50,000, he can do the other side, everything will be good.
Holders. So when it comes to Ethereum, what are the price levels to be watching when it comes to trading? And essentially,
dump. That's the price levels to watch, bro. Dump.
You're looking for a break downwards of $2,475. A break downwards of $2,475 would no doubt yield Ethereum's price dropping downwards to this first support level
right here,
around $2,445. But as soon as that one has broken,
he just admitted that support means nothing. Because support is broken, and you know what they do? They make a new one. Resistance is broken. What do? They make a new one. He just said as soon as support's broken.
Straight down a $100 drop down to around $2,300. However, on the flip side,
here we go with the confusion of TA. You want to know, is it going to go up or down? That's what I tell you on my channel. He says, well, it could go down that much, and now here's the flip. So there's no way he could be wrong. Watch.
Side scenario for this would be if Ethereum can get all the way back up to these levels here around $2,550 and break, then it would mean that we'd probably go on to make new all-time highs, or at least...
No, it's not going to make new all-time highs, bro. It's not going to make 5,000 you put in your clickbait thumbnail.
Not new all-time high, sorry, new high.
Oh, you mean, you made a mistake. New highs, a new high. You mean a higher low.
During this bullish period that we're
No, it's a bearish period, damn it, bro. 63,000 to 29,000 to 38,000. The 38,000 and 40,000 was what we call a hope run. I've gone through this in my videos, called How a Bull Run Ends. You'll never admit it.
And it's quite likely that Ethereum's price would at least resume trading at around $2,650 should we break through this level here.
Wait, so if we break through this imaginary level here, he didn't even draw a line. We're going to go to 2,000. Look how slick he looks. We're going to go to 2,600. But if we break down here, it's going to go up or down, bro. That's what you're telling me. Basically, nothing from nothing leaves nothing.
$2,550. Essentially, all Ethereum finds itself in is in limbo at this moment in time, and all you can really do until we break one of these levels is trade the swings. However, looking at a slightly higher time frame, because of course you can't really take everything from the 5-minute chart. Looking at, of course you can't take everything from the 5-minute chart.
No, of course you gotta have purple. You gotta, you know what? This is really not right. This color does not represent all people. You need more drawings on here. Dick, 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 dick.
What makes me pretty happy about the way that Ethereum is looking at this
What?
moment.
Dick, 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 dick. Look at this. It's a hangman, triple-double yoga spread with the Star Trek logo upside down with white and blue candles just to totally fuck your mind.
Time is we have ticked bullish down here on the MACD. We also have some nice bullish momentum starting to form there.
And we have that there.
The area of concern that I was having is no longer an area of concern for me because we were having a bearish divergence. So that has now...
bearish divergence? I have heard nothing, but it could go up or it could go down.
Played out, so that is no longer of great concern to me unless we break below this support level here around $2,475, and at that point in time you'd expect the bearish divergence to continue playing out at that point in time. So having analyzed the price of Ethereum,
we have learned nothing. tiddlywinks.
Time to check in on Bitcoin. Bitcoin isn't looking probably quite as cracking as Ethereum is at this moment in time. The hourly chart is possibly just about to tick bearish down here. If we go over to the 4-hour chart when it comes to Bitcoin again, this is not looking fantastic.
I know,
Bitcoin is essentially
like tic-tac fucking toe. How can you trade on this? Do you even have a trade in?
really relying on this support level here of around $37,775. If that level breaks, we're buggered essentially. We're buggered all the way down.
Wait, if the level breaks, we're gonna booger all the way down. I can't take any more of this. That Martini guy, I'm sorry. I'm a fan, but you are the TA hole of the day, bro. I think we've gone through enough. The $5,000 thumbnails, the 100K pump, buy Ethereum now, all of this stuff, man, the old Lamborghinis. It's just really, it's just too much for me to handle, so I must give you an award. Oh God, did we just break his made up support level? I'm not even sure, it don't even matter. All I could do at this point, since I can't find my crypto TA hole of the day explosion, is play a song.
They're coming to take me away, haha. They're coming to take me away, ho ho, hee hee, haha. To the funny farm where life is beautiful all the time. And I'll be happy to see those nice young men in their clean white coats. And they're coming to take me away, haha.
So,
you thought it was a joke.
So, all I can say is TA is bullshit. Who you listening to on YouTube?